everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can activate Lyca Mobile SIM card in UK. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, we're going to be opening up our browser right over here. Now as soon as you have done that, this is how the interface is going to look like. So what you're going to do is, first of all, go back and search up Lyca Mobile UK and tap on the particular link at the official website. As soon as I've done that, this is how the interface is gonna look like. Now for the easy execution, make sure you're signed in as well. Then scroll a bit and you will find the option of pay monthly SIM, pay as you go SIM, and activate SIM. Tap on the activate SIM since this is what we require. Now they will show you how you can do that. First thing first, you can simply activate your new SIM by simply inserting your SIM card, powering on your device. Activation SMS will be there. Again, restart your phone, check your phone, and there you go. That's how you should be able to easily, simply, activate your prepaid SIM card online. Now you gotta simply go ahead, go through each steps and read through it properly so you can have it executed successfully. Otherwise, if you got more question, you can simply type in to the Lyca Virtual Assistant. Tap on Let's Start, and you shall start giving them the mobile network question. You can add in your first name, last name, email number, and mobile number. Tap and submit, and you can simply ask her the question regarding your concern likewise for the further. That's it for this video. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.